Sounds of Zamoco! So, this is about Woodrow Wilson, Dark Timeline version, and he's at his 65th birthday, and he is approached by a spirit, maybe? Something like that. And this spirit comes to him and shows him all the different versions of himself. There's the President Woodrow Wilson, ballerina Woodrow Wilson, pizza chef Woodrow Wilson, space cowboy, spacecraft man Woodrow Wilson. And he sees all these, and he realizes, I've done nothing with my life. Nothing. I've lived on generational wealth, on these dividends, and haven't done jack squat. Anyway, glad you're here for the ride to enjoy Sounds of Zamoco, the album, with his first song, Dividends.